Decided to make some raisins today. I had a bunch of grapes that I want to use up before they go bad. So I've got them in my dehydrator. There's some green. And some red grapes. So we'll just let this run at about 135, 140 for a couple days and see how they look. Here we are taking a look at raisins at the 12-hour mark. Oh, they're getting there. Take another look at the raisins, see how they're doing. Oh, they're looking good. Another few hours and they'll be done. There they are. And they are done.